Struggling with payroll and HR tasks? You're not alone. Many small businesses face this overwhelming challenge every day. As you juggle your core business, administrative tasks can bog you down, stealing precious hours from your week. This is where Gusto disrupts the norm, serving over 400,000 businesses by simplifying payroll and HR functions. Gusto isn't just another software, it's a comprehensive solution designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses seeking efficiency. What makes Gusto different from its competitors? Let's explore the advantages that make it a standout choice for your needs. Gone are the days of manual calculations and stressed-out payroll days. Gusto automates complex tax processes with ease. Powered by a user-friendly interface, Gusto manages compliance and keeps meticulous records, reducing risks of costly errors. Imagine saving an average of 80 hours each year on payroll. That's less time on admin and more on growth. Gusto's automated tax filing not only handles payments but also issues W-2s and 1099s, ensuring accuracy every time. Flexibility is key. Gusto allows unlimited pay runs at no extra cost, adapting to your evolving business needs seamlessly. With built-in time tracking, Gusto further simplifies payroll by syncing data directly and eliminating entry errors. Beyond payroll, Gusto streamlines benefits management, acting as your broker at no added cost for great employee offerings. Onboarding has never been easier. Gusto automates paperwork and provides welcoming experiences that every new hire deserves. Gusto supports employee development through performance reviews, engagement tools, and insightful reporting to enhance workplace culture. When comparing Gusto with competitors, it shines with intuitive UX, making it accessible for businesses without HR specialists. While corporations might favor alternatives like ADP for customization, Gusto appeals to smaller businesses for its simplicity and cost. Implementing. Gusto is simple. A demo will show you exactly how this tool can fit into your existing workflow. Embrace operational efficiency today. Gusto empowers businesses to focus on growth without drowning in administrative burdens.